In this video, I'll teach you how to create Hopper account. If you create Hopper account, you'll be able to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. So in order to create it, what you have to do is launch open Hopper application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Hopper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in and start saving. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. If you do not have the account, your account will be created. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for continue with Google, continue with phone. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to tap on the option continue with Google. If you also selected the option for Google, you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the Google account that you would like to use to create the Hopper account. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to confirm your information. You'll be able to find the options like first name, last name, country and phone number over here. Make sure all the informations are correct. If not, you can edit the information if you want. Tap on the field of first name and enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Also select the country. Tap on the field of country and you'll be able to choose the country over here. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number. Tap on the field of phone number and enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. After you do that, tap on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your profile will be created. Now you'll be able to book the flights, car rentals, etc. So like this you can create the Hopper account. Thank you for watching.